I'm Ben with the BTC Sessions, and this is your Bullish Bit, brought to you by bitrefill.com, your one-stop shop to live on Bitcoin and Lightning. They've got all the best gift cards, things like Amazon, Apple, Best Buy, Airbnb, Uber, and much more. You can even do hotel bookings, you can do all of your travel, and you can now grab prepaid MasterCards as long as you have a US address that you can input. Check them out today, bitrefill.com. Links are down below to sign up now. It's going to be a lot of contradictory messaging, right? It's going to be, right now we're hearing the banking system is secure, it's stable, it's so on and so forth, as they're effectively saying like, oh, okay, we got to we will take whatever emergency measures to backstop everything of this entirely stable system. And so I think we're going to see a lot more of that, where it's like you're going to see these contradictory messages in that these collapses will be blamed on us probably, but then they'll say that the solution is for all of the stuff that we deal with to be custodied by the banks that were failing. And that's where they got gold, right? That's where this is where Bitcoin improves upon gold, because it was near a necessity to basically store gold and then transact with a gold-backed currency through this abstraction of it through paper currency, right? Like that was the mechanism through which they were able to say, you got your paper currency, it represents gold. Oh wait, now it doesn't represent gold. And so, the playbook is, you've got your paper currency that represents Bitcoin, or you've got your digital currency that represents Bitcoin. Oh wait, it doesn't represent Bitcoin anymore. Luckily, the whole premise of Bitcoin was built upon, don't trust that. You need to remove that layer of trust. You can't be doing that, or at least we need to localize it. Again, in the context of Fediments, you need to more localize it to small communities instead of like the entire currency is backed in a way that can be revoked. And then at least you learn your lessons if you put trust in people that you shouldn't.